Drive de Vilbis is pleased to announce our newest innovation, the Preserve Tech Raised Toilet Seat with Bidet. Experience convenience, cleanliness, and safety like never before. Take back your independence. Raised toilet seats are a great solution for anyone experiencing difficulties in the bathroom. By raising the seat height by 4 inches, they make transfers on and off the toilet more comfortable and accessible. Truly one of a kind, the inclusion of a retractable bidet nozzle, perfect for front or back cleaning, is what really sets this toilet seat apart. When done washing, quickly switch to the self-cleansing function to give the unit a final rinse. Simplicity is key. Easy-to-use controls allow the user to adjust water pressure and select between cleansing modes. Depending on your preference, our toilet seats are available with or without a warm water feature. Installation is as easy as 1, 2, 3. The bidet easily connects to a water source in minutes. No electric connections or batteries required. Built to last. Manufactured with Drive's Preserve Tech technology, our toilet seats are treated with an antimicrobial agent that helps to minimize the growth of stain and odor-causing bacteria and mold. Don't wait, act now. To learn more about how Drive's raised toilet seat with bidet can benefit you, or to view a complete listing of bath safety products, visit our website today.